Okay then folks, so here we are in one of the first rooms. Now a lot of these windows are, well actually all of them are sash and case, wooden and very, very old. And today we're going to be using the Unger Ninja squeegees. So coming up onto this first window, what I normally like to do is we've got a Ramsey A-frame ladder with a protective rubber cap at the top. So that allows me to get nose to glass and yeah, be able to get anything off the glass. It's quite ingrained, it's nice and easy to do when you're up close and personal, as opposed to using an extension pole. But if there are any windows that I can't get to using the ladder, I do have my Phantom trad pole. I'll leave a link in the description below for you so you can see this tool. But it's actually been custom made. We actually have a water fed pole angle adapter on there and the Mormon accelerator squeegee, and I'll use that for any windows that I can't get to with the ladder, but I think most of them I'll be able to get to using my A-frame ladder. So let's get cracking. Now for my solution, it's water. That's all there is in the bucket, just pure water, and I've put dish soap on each side of the applicator. Then rub in your solution and you can see it's not flooding down the glass. The solution is staying lovely just where it is, which is good. You get good control over the solution. It's not flooding the place. And also the squeegee glides a lot better. So, taking our Unger Ninja today, give it a wet up. And there we are. And because of these types of windows, I don't actually really need to do much detailing on these ones, which is really good. I'll just show you. There's a little bit, tiny bit there, but it's like right next to the paint, so it's not actually visible. There's no detailing there to do, just because of this type of window. You've got the paint that actually comes onto the glass and lays flat on the glass. So the solution is actually on the paint on the edge, which is why you can't actually see it, which means that you don't actually need to detail. So that's quite handy, as long as obviously the top is dry, because you don't want that running down. But yeah, apart from that, it's looking good. Also with these kind of windows, what I like to do is make sure that the woodwork is nice and clean as well. So just taking our cloth and just give it a dust down. It's not been done for a good long time, so it just needs a wee bit of TLC. There we go. Fantastic. So there we are, folks. That is the hotel completed. All those lovely olden windows, nice and spick and span and clean. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video today. Thank you ever so much for tuning in, been really much appreciated. Remember to smash the thumbs up button if you liked the video. If there's any videos you'd like to see in the future, leave it in the comments box below. That'd be super appreciated. And until next time, you take care, be good, and bye for now.